Welcome! It's Liam again. Today, I'll show you how to add or remove Jira fields on your story map cards. First, go to Admin Settings. Simply navigate to Settings and then click on Admin Settings. Next, find the Card Settings section. Here you'll see the Fields on Card option. Select the fields you want to add from the list. You can include fields like status, priority, assignee, story points, and label. Please note, labels can only be applied to stories and subtasks cards. If your project already has a story point field, it will show up and can be edited directly on the card. If not, you'll need to configure it. Let's start with Team-Managed Projects. Here's how. Go to your project settings. Click on Issue Types. Select the issue type you want to add story points to. On the Fields column, search for Story Point Estimate. Drag and drop it from the list to the Issue Field section. For company-managed projects, follow these steps. Go to your project settings. Click on Screens. Find the screen associated with the issue type you want to configure. Click on the screen and find the search box below. Search for the Story Point Estimate field and add it to the Field tab. Once you've added the fields, users can interact directly with them on the card. And that's how you add or remove Jira fields on your story map cards. For more detailed guides, visit our documentation. Thanks for watching.